What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am at our Dutchess yard and it is time to put the ladder rack back on my Chevy Colorado. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know over the summer I use a ladder rack on this truck, but I take it off during the winter because I don't really do much construction over the winter. I'm pretty much fully dedicated to snow removal. So I store the ladder rack in the back of our garage here, and I need to get it out, but I have to move this Toolcat, that rolling ladder, and I have to be careful because there was a crazy swarm of bees in here. You might be able to see some flying around right now. There's one right here, but on the floor there is a ton of them. I don't know, look, they're just falling like crazy. Oh, they're all on the window on the garage door there. So I'm gonna try and not get stung. Let me pull this out. I'll probably grab this one with the forks on it, and we're gonna put the ladder rack on outside. That way I have less to worry about in here. Really don't feel like getting stung right now. But either way, we have to get this ladder rack on, so let's get at it. Actually, I'll just throw these forks on and use this machine. I didn't realize these were sitting right here. Getting this down and strapped to the forks so I can drop it on the rails of the bed. Hopefully that'll lift it. Looks pretty good. Two of the washers, so I'm gonna have to try and find some, otherwise we're just gonna put it on without them. Please, out of the angle. That'll finish for me. We're almost there. Might be able to push it by hand a little bit. Oh, that strap's probably not helping either. Oh, we're on an angle, that's the problem. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? Throw a sweatshirt down there. I think like that would probably be good. I can't really tell where it's gonna hit. Maybe try and take this strap off, see what happens. Keep that here. Kind of difficult to do this by yourself. All right, that's completely off. So how close is this? It's not even. All right, well, I think we're good now. Get the forklift out of there and see what happens. Not bad. I thought for sure the front would come down and sit on the roof. I don't think the sweatshirt's even doing anything. Oh, oops. Nice. Throw that back in there. Use my closet there. All right, now we got to get these bolt holes all lined up. So I think that is it. We now have a ladder rack back on the Colorado. So back into construction mode fully. We are working on, oh look, there's a bee trying to get out. We are working on some snow stuff, like the one truck we just dropped off to Zwack, and we have a couple other projects coming up. So mixed in with the construction videos, there will be a few snow related videos, but that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.